Hello everybody and welcome to the second part of our video guide. On this video we're going to talk about how to find ideas, inspiration, and a theme for your writing content. And so this will help you whenever you're feeling lost, whenever you're out of words, or just if you're simply trying to prepare for your next great work of art. So let's begin. Okay, so tip number one, do automatic writing, or in other terms, they call it spirit writing. So how do we perform this automatic writing? It's simple. First, find a topic, then grab a pen and paper, or open a new Word document, a notepad, or whatever writing software that you'd prefer. After preparing your medium for writing, write everything that comes into your mind about that topic. Don't mind the structure and don't pay attention to your grammar. Just keep on writing up until you end up with a gold mine of your own thoughts. So after gathering that lump of information, you should start the editing process and organize its structure and grammar. So that's where you polish your works, and then voila, you've got a written content. So tip number two is talk to other people. Our perception of the world is limited to what is around us or what we can see, and obviously people fear concepts that they do not comprehend or haven't encountered yet. That is human nature. So by talking to others, we envelop ourselves in their perspective in life, politics, different agendas, beliefs, insights, and many other thought-provoking ideas. Also, when you're talking to other people about such things, you should remove the I mentality and just sit there and listen. Always remember that you learn more by listening than by talking all the time. Through these little gestures called active listening, you'll be able to have an array of ideas and opinions on your pocket that you can use when you're trying to write. Tip number three, always invest in yourself. During your spare time, you can always watch tutorials such as this. There are a lot of free tutorial content on YouTube that you can watch, and sometimes they offer cheap courses that can hone your writing skills. You can also search for your local city for seminars and workshops that involves writing, and then invest your time and money to improve yourself on your field. So in my former university, we always had this saying that education should be lifelong. So as long as you live, always invest in yourself and always invest in your studies. So tip number four, participate in online communities. So you can browse topics in Reddit, Quora, or even join a Discord server that's dedicated to topics that you want, such as this one, for example. This is a Discord server for game developers from all around the globe who wants to learn on how to make games. That way, you'll be able to share and receive thought-provoking questions that will broaden your knowledge of that certain topic. Lastly, we have tip number five. Try to look back on your progress. As a writer, I probably have written near 1,000 articles by now for my entire lifetime. And it wouldn't hurt to try and look back and see what you have achieved. So by doing this, you'll be able to boost your self-esteem, and then it will motivate you to write something better. So look back, try to read all of the things that you have written, and then say to yourself, wow, I can't believe I made this. I'm gonna do my best in order to make something even better. So that's it. Okay, so that would be it for this video. If you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.